The Minister for National Fisheries Authority and Marine Resource, Dr. Lino Tom, and his team from Port Moresby visited Morobe last week to officiate the opening of few projects funded by NFA. One of these projects is this double 4-in-1 classroom that was funded last year at a cost of 300,000 kina and was completed this year to accommodate the grade 8 students.
The most important resource this country has is our people. Our people, and right before us, we have the most important resource this country will ever have, and that's its people. If we invest in the development of human resource, our country will be in a better place. Now that brings us to another part of this, and that is the quality of education that we give to our students. You know, our pastors, in terms of the jobs we do, I think the most sacred job God has given to humanity is to look after its people, and I think our pastors, they do the most important job. And I think next to the pastors, I would be a bit biased, are the health workers and the teachers. Because we look after our people, and they are the most important resource this country will ever have.
Tanam Adventist Elementary and Primary School is located in the Wampar LLG of Huon Gulf District, Morobe. It has a population of over 700 students and 20 teachers. Tanam School was established in 2010 as an elementary school. It then got its primary status in 2013. According to the school's head teacher, Rickson Kambang, most of the infrastructure development has been done by the school through the School Learning Improvement Plan program.
The school has started with bush material, and we gradually changing the place, and one of the things that we always like to do is we start with whatever we have. Whatever little money that we have, we start working on it pace at a time. So a good example is our staff house, which is at the back. We started it last year, and we are slowly building it over the years, and hopefully by next year we are planning to complete.
Quality of education, there's a lot of aspects to it. One of that is the number of students to teacher ratio. The other one is the number of students in a class in terms of the space. And there are other things like the quality of materials we give to our students and the quality of teachers we have. Now we can't address all of them at the same go, but NFA, as part of its corporate social responsibility, would want to do our part in providing infrastructure to help our school expand and getting students in the right number so that they can sit with good space, but so they can learn comfortably.
Mr. Kambang said the only challenge they face is landowners' issue.
We're having, so many landowners around here. That's a real challenge. In fact, when we want to put up the classroom, we had to argue, even we physically had to fight with these landowners to put this building that we're seeing. We also have financial constraint that we face with the STF that has been cut. That is really a big setback to us. But I always continue to commend my parents, who are always supportive to pay their school fees, and that is what has been driving us through.
Julie Badui, Owa, National EMTV News.